After the first step, if you have the fish figure like this, you always put the head of the fish down here, okay, on the left. Okay, and you take a look at the twin of the colors. Okay, there are two twins of the color here, one blue and one red. Okay, choose any one. Okay, at this time I will choose this because this is not the yellow same as this. Okay, so we have to use the separation technique. Okay, this or this. At this time I will choose this. Okay, up, out, up, back, down, back, down. Now you can see the bow figure. Okay, about the bow figure, you have to put like this, up here or down here. Okay, and the yellow should be here and here. Okay, for the bow. And then you will use the moving technique here, up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. Now you can get the fish again, but this time there is only one blue of the twin here. Okay, and this is not the yellow same as this, so we have to come here. Okay, because there is only one left. Okay, so we're gonna use the separation technique, up, out, up, back, down, back, down. Now you will have the yellow cross. If you get the yellow cross, you just ignore this yellow right here and right here. Okay, you can choose this or this side. Okay, I will choose for this side at this time. Okay, using the moving technique only. Okay, up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. Now you will have the fish here. Okay, the head of the fish is here, even though this is the twin of the green, but because of this is the yellow same as this, so we have to use the moving technique. Okay, always up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. Now you will have the full yellow like this. Okay, and then you have to figure how to get the complete side at the side. Okay, let's see. No, not yet. We cannot use the moving technique. Okay, for here. Okay, then we have to take a look for the twin. 1, 2, only 2. Okay, I will choose one of here or this. Okay, it depends. Anyway, I'm choosing this. This is the green and this is the green also, so I have to use the moving technique instead of the separation technique. So I will up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. Now you have the figure of the fish, but this is not the yellow, same as this, and this is already the twin of the orange. So I'm gonna use the separation technique. Up, right, up, back, down, right, up. Now I have another yellow fish here, and this is the yellow, same as this. So this means you have to use the moving technique. Okay, up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. Okay, now let's see if we can make the full aside for the same color. No, I don't think so. We cannot do it. So we have to take a look for the twin again. This pair for twin and this pair for twin. Two twins here. Okay. Then we check for the edge of the color of twin again. Okay, this is orange and this is blue. This means different. So we have to use the separation technique. Okay, if this is the same, we will use the moving technique. Okay, this is for the separation technique. Okay, different color separation. Up, left, up, back, down, back, down. Now we having the fish with this yellow and yellow. Okay, doesn't matter, because even though this is the twin for the orange. Okay, so we have to use the moving technique. Okay, because of this yellow same as this. Okay, up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. Full yellow here for this side. Okay, we cannot move to make the aside for the full color. Okay, this is red, this is blue. No, cannot. Okay, cannot move. So we will have more of this. Okay, for this twin. Okay, then we have to use to check for this green and blue. This means we have to use the separation technique. Okay, the up, right, up, back, down, back, down. Fish. Okay, for this time this is not yellow, same as this, green instead. Okay, then we have to use the separation technique for this. Okay, up, right, up, back, down, back, down. Fish. Okay, yellow with same as this, so moving technique using. Okay, up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down. Now we get the full at the side, like this, white, green and yellow. Okay, then we using the next step for the last one to solve this Rubik